Namaskara, I am Dr. Shashikala Rao. Today's my topic is on Mrityu Bhaga. Mrityu means death and Bhaga means portion. A specific degree in each zodiac sign for every planet, Mandi and Lagna are considered as Mrityu Bhaga or fateful degree. When a planet posited in fateful degree or Mrityu Bhaga in the birth chart, it gives trouble to health or it indicates a period of misfortune, indicates some tragedy or tragic events or trouble like death or death like situation. Mrityu means death, but we face different situation in our life that we say such situation as hell or naraka. When people are in difficult situations, some people say they are experiencing hell or naraka. Some people say they are experiencing hell on earth. Some people say, I feel like I am in living hell. When the people are in Veta, Veta means agony, distress. Due to this Veta, some people feel like dying. Another situation is Bhaya. Bhaya means fear. Sometimes with fear, people will feel like dying. Mrityu means dying once. With fear, people will die 1,000 times. There is a famous saying, a coward dies 1,000 times, a hero dies but once. If people continue to interact with fear like situation or environments, at least they can find the root cause of fear and find the solution for a better life. Another situation is Lajja, means shame. If somebody makes shame, we feel unworthy to live and we feel like dying. We won't question ourselves. Is there any solution to our problem? Is there any way to overcome this situation? Another situation is Roga or Vyadhi. Due to severe illness, to get relief from Roga or Vyadhi, a person decides to put an end to his life. Another situation is Dukkha. If somebody hurts us or giving mental pain, due to a lack of inner strength in us, when people feel difficult to tolerate the dukkha, then they feel like dying. It is the negative emotion. Another situation is bandhana. Bandhana means detention, arrest, confinement, taking into custody, imprisonment. Such incidents causes pain. With the pain of imprisonment, sometimes people feel like dying. Another situation is apamana. Apamana means an insult. If somebody insults us, it hurts our ego and it makes us feel very bad. And also we feel inferior, not good enough and inadequate. Due to this, we feel to end our life without finding other ways to feel good about ourselves. Sometimes these things, negative judgment of ourselves, makes us feel bad. These are the various situations we can say as Naraka, which is like Mrityu. If we try to take this pragmatic approach or problem solving oriented approach, we may come ourselves better prepared for life. For better understanding, let's have a look over the table of Mrityu Bhaga. This table of Mrityu Bhaga includes Lagna or ascendant, 9 planets and Mandi in various signs. Observe the Mrityu Bhaga or fatal degree of moon as per Vaidyanatha Dikshita's Jataka Parijata, Volume 1, Chapter 1, Shloka 57, page number 38 gives the moon's Mrityu Bhaga or fatal degree in 12 zodiac sign from Aries to Pisces. The 8th degree in Aries, 25th degree in Taurus, 22nd degree in Gemini, 22nd degree in Cancer, 21st degree in Leo, 1st degree in Virgo, 4th degree in Libra, 23rd degree in Scorpio, 18th degree in Sagittarius, 20th degree in Capricorn, 20th degree in Aquarius and 10th degree in Pisces or the Mrityu Bhaga for moon. Observe the Mrityu Bhaga or fatal degree of moon as per Mantreshwar's Paladipika chapter 13 sloka 10 Page number 150 gives the moon's Mrityubhaga or fateful degree in 12 zodiac sign from Aries to Pisces. 26th degree in Aries, 12th degree in Taurus, 13th degree in Gemini, 25th degree in Cancer, 24th degree in Leo, 11th degree in Virgo, 26th degree in Libra, 14th degree in Scorpio, 13th degree in Sagittarius, 25th degree in Capricorn, 5th degree in Aquarius and 12th degree in Pisces or the Mrityubhaga for moon. Observe the difference between the Mrityubhaga or fatal degree of moon as per Jataka Parijata and Paladipika. There is a different opinion about Mrityubhaga or fatal degree of moon in several signs from Aries to Pisces. According to Vaidyanatha Dikshita's Jataka Parijata, Volume 1, Chapter 1, Sloka 57, the ascendant's Mrityubhaga or fateful portion in 12 zodiac sign from Aries to Pisces as first degree in Aries, 9th degree in Taurus, 22nd degree in Gemini, 22nd degree in Cancer, 25th degree in Leo, 2nd degree in Virgo, 4th degree in Libra, 23rd degree in Scorpio, 18th degree in Sagittarius, 20th degree in Capricorn, 24th degree in Aquarius and 10th degree in Pisces or the Mrityubhaga for ascendant. According to Mantreshwar Paladipika, Chapter 13, Sloka 11, page number 150, the ascendant's Mrityubhaga or fateful portion in 12 zodiac sign from Aries to Pisces as 8th degree in Aries, 9th degree in Taurus, 22nd degree in Gemini, 22nd degree in Cancer, 25th degree in Leo, 14th degree in Virgo, 4th degree in Libra, 23rd degree in Scorpio, 18th degree in Sagittarius, 20th degree in Capricorn, 21st degree in Aquarius and 10th degree in Pisces or the Mrityubhaga for ascendant. Observe the difference between Mrityubhaga of ascendant as per Jataka Parijata and Paladipika. You can notice only a few changes are there. There is a different opinion about Mrityubhaga of ascendant and moon in the several signs from Aries to Pisces. Mrityubhaga of the other planets are same as stated in other works. The astrologer consider this Mrityubhaga based on their own experience. Even some astrology softwares provides the Mrityubhaga. Different astrology software uses a slightly different Mrityubhaga. Here I am referring to Parashara Light software. Ascendant is in Aries. The Mrityubhaga in Aries as ascendant is 1 degree as per Jataka Parijata. In this example chart, Aries as ascendant is at 1 degree 20 minutes. So, the distance from Mrityubhaga is 20 minutes. Mercury is in Scorpio. The Mrityubhaga of Mercury in Scorpio is 10 degree. In this example chart, Mercury is at 10 degree 31 minutes. So, the distance from Mrityubhaga is 31 minutes. Ascendant and Mercury are near the Mrityubhaga, but if it is in exact degree becomes much stronger. When the planet occupies a specific degree in a sign as given in the table, we say planet is in Mrityubhaga. It is considered as malefic. It causes mental and physical health related problems, sometimes Mrityu. Any planet in Mrityubhaga affects its house signification and also its natural karakatva. When a planet posited in fateful degrees or Mrityubhaga during the Dasha
Bhukti and Antara of these planets gives trouble to health, difficult situations and period of misfortune indicates some tragedy or trouble like death or death-like situation.
This can be applied in Prashna, Muhurta and in analysis of birth chart. If the Prashna ascendant falls in Mutyubhaga or the Karaka in question falls in Mutyubhaga, there will be no positive answer. In fixing of Muhurta, it is better to avoid the event signifying the planet in Mutyubhaga. For example, the Venus is Karaka for relationship or marriage. If Venus is posited in Mutyubhaga, then Karakatva of Venus is affected. This may affect the relationship or create problem in marital life. If any benefic planet influencing the planet in Mutyubhaga, this will minimize the bad effect. If the malefic planet influencing the planet in Mutyubhaga, then this will aggregate the bad effects. The aspects of Jupiter on the planet in Mutyubhaga is a great relief. If Jupiter is in Mutyubhaga, then its influence is no use. This is about the Mutyubhaga. Similarly, each sign has a specific degree which is considered as an auspicious point. It is called as Pushkara Bhaga. In my next video, I will discuss Pushkara Bhaga. Thank you. Namaste.